You know if you suck me till I come. You know if you suck me till I come.
See, you too tight.
I dey wine. You know when that's me I knock. You know if you handle me, girl.
I say if you handle you, I will tell your toto.
Hey, God.
Find you, I will scatter your toto.
You know fit.
What makes you I no fit handle you?
You know if you make me come, guy.
I go make you come. I go scatter you. Thank you. I will shift your own to this side. Still return and back to that.
I had girl. If you go to our street.
I fit.
I don't tell me I knock. You know if you handle me.
I say I go free handle you. Thank you. What make you say I no free handle you?
If you go scissors. If you go Spider-Man style.
Turn your mask.
You know, you dey wine. You dey wine.
You feel something.
See now.
Boy, you dey feel something.
Now.
This style. I'll give you this style. Okay?
You don't maybe say if you knock me with all this talk with the top so.
See your bobby.
Maybe say if you knock me with all this
kind of style position you. You don't like this kind of style?
Now. Now. This one they make me come fast.
Thank you. Hi. Thank you. Hi. Good afternoon. What's up now?
I'm fine.
You're assuming alone. Eh? So you're assuming alone.
I just felt like
Find you like you can't assume me alone. You don't follow those words, me?
No.
You don't know them?
No, I don't know them.
Okay. Can I swim with you if you don't mind?
No, I prefer being alone.
How you come pull, can't be alone now? It don't make sense.
Let's be alone.
Alone? No, it don't make sense. No, just swim today.
I don't know you now. I just met you.
It doesn't matter now.
It matters though.
Can you swim?
Not really. Not really. I'm just trying.
I mean, I can teach you.
No, thank you.
I'm serious. I can swim very well.
I'm not sure. No.
I see. Wait. What I say? I can swim very well. So me, I can teach you.
I don't want to learn. I'm scared of water.
Scared of water, but you know, water inside water now you dey now.
Yeah, that's why you see me. I'm just here. I'm scared of that deep side.
Deep side. I'm not take you to that deep side. I know this side we could see. Just want to tell you something, Sha. If you don't mind.
What is it?
I want to tell you about my work, my business.
Okay.
Come close your way.
I'm listening.
About my business, like videos, pull me hand, stuff like that. Like I'm a hookup boy. So I do hook up for a business.
Stop pulling me down.
I'm serious. So can we just understand?
You're talking, I'm hearing.
Like I'm a hookup boy, you understand? I do hook up for a living, you understand? So I don't know if I...
Come, this boy, stop whining me, I beg. I was swimming, I was enjoying myself before you came.
You can just pull me hands. No, see, okay, I'm serious. Just hear me out now. You can't be like, see, I be talk to myself now. Yeah, hear me out now. I say I'm a hookup boy, like, I do hook up for a living.
No, I see hear you outside, I don't understand.
Now they talk, come on now.
Come. You this serious?
I'm serious now. I dey tell you the kind of work what I dey do. Come they tell me say whether they serious. Come to this side. No talk now.
Hey.
Talk my story. Like, I'm a hookup boy, you understand? So I work for a living. You understand? I dey wipe protein no good. You understand? I dey shift room.
All these big boys say all the police wey Yahoo no favor. I don't understand.
Yahoo, I no do Yahoo. Nobody say Yahoo no favor. I no do Yahoo. But this kind of work, what I feel say, if I do, I could make money. They make money. You understand?
So what has it got to do with me? Why are you explaining to me?
I'm just telling you. Man, know that.
I cannot help you anyway. Okay.
Wait now.
I know to help you, guys.
No, you know that go pull me hand. You understand that kind of thing? If you know want to patronize me, can refer me to your friends that can patronize me, stuff like that.
You are serious though?
I said I don't want what they do. I'm serious.
So what do you want?
If you can pull me hand or refer me to your friends. See them person. Come. I sabi wipe. Jesus Christ, I will shift you. I'll tell you to tell.
What is this though?
I'm telling you the gospel truth. See, I know what I do. You understand?
Come, shift back if they talk about it.
See, thank you. I be like, to me, I feel say you go patronize me or refer me to your friend. Just support my business.
I cannot help you.
Okay, it's just support my business now.
Support you how?
Eh?
How?
Carry me now. Wait.
Come, put in the own.
My bola no strong, no small. My small at 21 inches. So if you feel like I'll give you the grace. Feel like I know what wait now.
You chill. All this kind of stuff, we make you rest.
Wait now. Thank you. Move on my shoulder. You don't big past this kind of thing.
When I talk, I hear you.
So how you get there? If you go back, put me hand.
What do you want?
Let me carry me. See, I'm doing this for the money.
You know if you handle me, guy, make you rest.
Wait. See, me, I have no fear handle you.
Hey, all these voices. I say you know if you handle me.
I get small. Na big bola I get.
You know if you handle me, guy.
I say if you handle you, I will tell your toto.
Hey, God.
Find you, I will scatter your toto.
You know fit.
What you make say I no fit handle you?
You know if you make me come, guy.
I go see. Wait now.
After
no talk my shoulder.
You dey talk my shoulder.
I can't dey push me.
You know if you make me come. The one dey look like this. Go be 2 minutes, guy.
See, wait. I will scatter you. See, give me. Now the money I dey after. You know what? You know what? Jesus Christ. Yes, they carry me.
You if you make me come.
I go make you come. I go scatter you. Thank you. I will shift your own to this side. See, return and back to where I carry after.
Evidence no day.
I know the video myself. I dey wipe now. I say, guess they call me for phone. After where you did, I did so hotel. Turn up. I no cost. Now 40K they give me.
You sure?
See, thank you. I know the thing say it depends on you. Some girls no sabi wipe, no sabi knack. I don't know what about you. I will tear you. A big thing.
Guy, I don't trust you. From the look of things like this, I don't trust you.
Thank you. Now you now go carry your friends, come give me. I know what's not the talk.
You sure?
Thank you. I know what's not the talk. For me to come meet you, take this my work.
Knock me till I come, guy. You know if you
I
knock
say I
me
go
till I
feed
come.
you.
You know if you knock me till I come. I'm not hard here. If you go to our street.
I fit. I don't dey for bed from 10 till 1.
You know fit.
I say I go fit. Which kind of style you like? When me say me I no fit, I go rap you. Thank you.
Yeah, you dey play with me.
Don't see.
You don't tell me I knock. You know if you handle me.
I say I go fit handle you. Thank you. What you make you say I no fit handle you?
You handle me,
Even
guy.
even as I dey talk to you, say my things don't. I fit see am here now.
Oh God. This is me I see for water so.
You don't see am now. You don't dey come up so. I know it's not they tell you. No come. You dey see me less. No dey see me less. I know it's not they tell you. How you man? How you dey cook for bed? What style? What attribute you get?
If you go scissors, if you go Spider-Man style.
No style. I go help you.
If you go five rounds.
I go go 5 rounds. See, which kind of style they
I should be like this so.
I go suck you now.
You know if you suck me till I come. You know if you suck me till I come. Oh my son they talk. I don't meet guy like you before. My son you do.
I go suck you till
you
you
come for bed,
come.
if you haven't do 2 minutes, listen to talk.
See, I go suck you till you come. I go see you too tight.
I dey wine. You know when that's me I knock. I do like this now. I never did a relationship for the past 6 months.
Tell me that place for tight too.
You dey wine. Continue to hold me, oh guy.
I go open now.
I see you know we
I go feed the liver. I go open now. I go open your toto for you.
You know go feed your guy.
Trust me. Okay. How much you get to carry me? Mine no. Mine just show you how much you get.
You dey serious like this?
How much you get?
You dey serious like
this? 40K I dey collect. How much you go pay?
40K.
Yeah. How much you go pay?
How much you go pay?
How much you go pay? Tell me. You talk things. How much you go pay?
I hope say if I pay money, you go fit handle me well.
I say go handle you well. How much you go pay?
You feel like this, so you feel knock me for bed. You feel give me all the style where I want to.
Now the thing be that how much you go pay?
You give me head join on.
I go give you head. I go suck you.
I'll give you 15,000.
15. Hey, how much too poor for sucking? I can't be collect 15.
You know what do you go?
Just wait now. She no wahala. Make am 20. So I make am 20. I know why I tell you make am 20. So you testify. Call me your friends. Make am 20.
Maybe I will give you 15. Just because see, talk to you if you don't have.
See, see, turn your man.
You know, you dey wine. You dey wine.
You feel something.
See now.
Boy, you dey feel something.
Now. I don't even to feel and wish.
Why you downgrade me? It don't make sense.
I want you to go for room now. I go know now if all these ones you get big boy like if some people get big boy and feel knock.
See my just see this thing don't stand for me.
When we reach for room we go know now. Actions speak louder than words now.
So you pay that 20.
We're gonna leave am for that 15 guy.
Wait, where I will meet you? Now your house have been a lot hotel.
No, we'll lodge for hotel guy. She see, I won't even pay for lodge again. No, I'm gonna give you 20k guy.
Oh yeah, pay the 15, pay the 15.
Yeah,
so which you go give me the location now.
My phone no dey able.
Might get your number now.
I know what.
Oh yeah, no, call.
090 621.
Okay.
You go meet me for Mercury now.
Okay. About what time?
Maybe tomorrow by 4 p.m. now.
Okay. Move those two together small.
Hope you don't watch that video with the play now. Hope they watch am. I beg, if they watch am, I beg, just make sure you share them. I beg, I no get pride. Subscribe, I beg to my YouTube channel. I beg, I no get pride. Just make sure you subscribe, and please don't forget to like. Just drop your opinion in the comment section on what you think about this video, guys. One